This guy right here has just been pulled over, and he's understandably not in a very good mood because he knows he didn't do anything wrong, and his dashcam backs that up. As you're about to see, the cop is going to lie and try to intimidate him, and he stands his ground in a respectful and mature way. Watch him handle this cop wonderfully.
Howdy.
Roll us down all the way, man.
Why is that?
Roll it down all the way so I can talk to you better.
We can talk, right? I mean,
Roll it down all the way. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you.
what law is that?
Why are you starting this, man?
Well, you're telling me to roll my window. We can talk, right?
Yeah, roll it down more
But why?
so I can talk to you better, man. I'm not going to talk to you through a crack like this. I'm not...
We can talk.
The cop immediately starts with the bullying tactics, trying to get him to put his window down all the way when they can clearly have a conversation.
You just trying to be difficult?
I'm not trying to be difficult.
The dashcam glitched out there as you saw, so I resynced the audio to go along with the video, and it's at this point when the cop explains why the driver was pulled over.
The reason I'm pulling you over is speeding. You know how fast you're going?
I do.
How fast are you going?
I'm not going to answer that question.
Okay, I got you going 87 in the 65, man. That's a little quick.
I got this dash cam here,
Yeah.
and it records my speed.
The dashcam did record the speed, and this is why I encourage everyone to use a dashcam while driving.
How fast do you think
Insurance.
you were going?
I'm not going to answer that.
Okay.
I'm really not trying to be difficult with you, sir.
I agree with the driver. It's usually best not to answer unnecessary questions.
Why are you just being so defensive and argumentative?
With what?
Everything I'm saying.
Well, I don't
First off,
believe...
I'm not being cooperative by rolling the window down. It's not a huge deal. I'd like to talk to you better, you know.
Back to the window thing, I think the cop really needs to let it go. It's not a big deal at all.
The reason for the window, I'm not trying to be defensive or argumentative or anything.
Yeah.
I just don't like to have it all the way down.
Why's that?
I just don't.
Why is that, man?
The cop then goes back to the speeding.
So you don't think you were speeding?
I don't want to answer any questions regarding that.
Why not?
It's just...
It's not a huge deal, man. It's just speeding.
The cop clearly wants a confession, and the driver is doing the right thing and staying silent because he didn't do anything wrong.
If you don't think you're going that fast, something could be wrong with your car or something, man. You know, you never know that. You give us signs by not being cooperative by the little things.
We're not
Sometimes
cooperating?
Just listen. Let me talk, okay?
Sure.
Okay. Those little things can mean a lot sometimes, man. For all you know, you could be trying to hide something, anything like that.
If you thought the cop was acting crazy already, just listen to what he says next. It gets even worse.
It's kind of weird when you don't want to roll your window down on the way. It's just a little weird, man.
It's a little weird that you're just demanding I do something. You said that you're not asking, you're telling me, and you don't have the legal grounds to tell me to roll my window all the way down. That's the only thing. That was a lie.
A lie?
Yeah.
That's not a lie.
Do I have to roll my window
I
down?
can make a bigger deal out of that. I'm not
Yeah, I think this cop is definitely crooked.
do what I asked, man.
Is that a law?
And if you think that's violating whatever, we can take it to court. If that's
We can take that one to court.
I feel like this cop would be much worse without the dashcam recording.
It's speeding, man. It's not a huge deal.
The cop then goes on about how he can tell people to do whatever he wants.
I can tell you to do whatever I want. If you think it's
You
violating,
can tell me to do whatever you want?
If you think it's a violation of whatever thing you're talking about,
The cop realizes at this point that his intimidation tactics aren't working and he's not going to get a confession out of this guy, and he's caught on dashcam, so he decides to let him off with a warning.
I'm telling you off for the warning, okay?
I
know
really
you don't think
appreciate
you're going that fast, but radar said you were, but I'm not writing you a ticket.
That's what I was going to ask, is if you're on radar, because
Yeah.
I'm not lying to you, I wasn't going that fast.
How fast? Since we're beyond that, how fast was it?
I really can't answer that question. My right to remain silent on things.
I'm not going to walk back there and rewrite a ticket, man. I can promise you. I'm just curious.
I can promise I won't answer the question.
You have my word. I'm not going to do that. I promise you. That's on my camera.
Cops can and have deleted body cam footage many times. I would always protect yourself with a dashcam while driving. $100 can get you a pretty nice one too. They can protect you from road ragers, insurance scammers, and of course lying cops. Be like this guy and get yourself a dashcam. The dashcam pretty much saved this guy from getting a ticket. I'm very certain that the cop would have given him a ticket if there wasn't a dashcam.